Hi, I'm Kalima Young, a lecturer in the Department of Electronic Media and Film. Welcome to the podcast for our fall film series, Drones and Droids, Cyborg Sex. This series will run for 6 weeks beginning September 10th and ending October 15th, Monday evenings at 7:30 p.m. in the Van Bocklin Auditorium. It's free and open to the public. Spanning several genres, Drones and Droids, Cyborg Sex explores the role of science and technology in creating and shaping power across race, gender, sex, and sexuality. Special guests will be invited to participate in in-depth and provocative discussions. Screenings will be followed by Q&A. Continuing our theme of playing God and Goddess, we explore this question: is masculinity designed to kill the world? Is the goddess the antidote? To dig into this nugget, join us September 17th at 7:30 p.m. for a screening of Mad Max Fury Road, a film from 2015 directed by George Miller. Years after the collapse of civilization, the tyrannical Immortan Joe enslaves survivors inside the desert fortress of the Citadel. When the warrior Furiosa leads the despot's 5 wives in a daring escape, she forges an alliance with Max, a loner and former captive. Fortified in the massive armored truck, the War Rig, they try to outrun the ruthless warlord and his henchmen in a deadly high-speed chase across the wasteland. It is shiny and it is chrome. I love this movie. And one of the reasons I find it so provocative is that it is unintentionally feminist. George Miller did not go out of his way to make a feminist film, but in the way that he shot it, and in the story that he told, and in the respect that he gave to the material, he created a feminist icon in Furiosa. I really also find it provocative, the vulnerability in the film, where each of the characters has some level of vulnerability, but it's never gendered. No one is untouched by the toxicity of the world in their body and in their mind. And one of the questions the film essentially ends up asking is, where is there a space for the feminine in a world made of hard edges and made of chrome? So join me. Let's talk about all of these things.